Cats' eyes can show how they are feeling and whether they are healthy. Their eyes are often very sensitive to changes in their body. If a cat's eyes look red, irritated, or have discharge, it usually means something is wrong. Thankfully, here are some simple ways to clean and flush an infected cat eye. Before you start, wash your hands thoroughly. You can also wear disposable gloves to keep things clean. Make sure your cat is calm. You might need a helper to gently hold the cat in your lap or wrap the cat in a soft towel, leaving only the head exposed. This keeps your cat from scratching or moving too much during cleaning. Next, take warm water in a bowl. Then, take a cotton swab to clean the cat's eye. Add a black tea bag to a cup and let it steep for 30 minutes. Allow it to cool down. Draw up 5 milliliters into a syringe and carefully drop it into the lower eyelid. The cat may react. After pouring, gently massage the cat's eye. An eye wash can help prevent the buildup of foreign material that can cause eye infections and unsightly tear stains. Take good quality cotton balls with a waffle-like pattern and gently clean the surface of the cat's eye. Then, pour the eye wash onto the cotton pads and apply it to the cat's eye. Stop if your cat needs a break. Repeat the steps until the cat's eyes are clean. After the eye wash dries, use dry cotton pads to wipe away any residue. Remember to praise your cat and reward them for their cooperation. This will help your cat cooperate better the next time you need to treat their eyes. Gentle eye care drops help keep your cat's eyes clean, comfortable, and free from irritation. Regular use can soothe dryness, flush out debris, and support overall eye health. Pour the drops onto a cotton bud and gently wipe the cat's infected eye. Then wipe the eye again, continuing until it is completely clean. Regularly cleaning a cat's eyes keeps them clean and healthy. It prevents infections and helps spot problems early. Gentle cleaning also removes dirt and discharge that can irritate the eyes. This simple care keeps your cat comfortable and happy. Keeping your cat indoors during treatment helps prevent new eye problems. It also reduces the risk of spreading the infection to other pets. Keep your cat away from sprays, perfumes, or cleaning products. This will help to keep your cat's eyes healthy and prevent irritation or infection, keeping them comfortable and happy. If the eye infection persists, take your cat to a veterinarian immediately to prevent complications and ensure proper treatment. Consistent cleaning, flushing, and treatment can support healthy eyes and overall well-being.